how to find all of your reposts on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can find all of your reposts on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find all of your reposts on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. And maybe you have reposted so many things over the years and then you would like to find the places where you have reposted those everything. For that, all you have to do is tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page, and once you do this, you'll see all of your own posts. And to find the videos that you have reposted, you can find the center icon which looks like this arrow icon, where you'll be able to see all of the videos that you have reposted. And now if you want to remove them, you can just go ahead and select them and unrepost as well. This way you'll be able to go ahead and find all of your reposted videos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.